Hello and welcome to another MaintenanceROS tutorial. My name is David, and in this video we're going to go over how you can use a MaintenanceROS template to very quickly select the equipment you want to add to your account during your onboarding process. Let's jump in. We're joining here in the middle of creating a new account, and you will only see this screen if we have a template prepared for your boat model. Now, if you don't see this screen, you can continue to manually select your equipment, which is the process we cover in our full onboarding tutorial. I'll leave a link to that video down in the description. For me though, my boat Starry Horizons is a Fountaine Peugeot Helia 44, so we have a template for this one. I'm going to go ahead and select the template, which brings us into our selector page. Now this is where the magic happens. It's super powerful, and there's a few things in here I want to make sure we cover. The very first is this trim or package section. A lot of boat manufacturers, when they're building a boat, are going to combine a lot of options into one package. And we do our absolute best to try to replicate that as much as possible to just, again, make this as quick and easy for you as we can. At the very least, we're going to try to have a standard equipment package, which when I select this, will automatically select all the standard equipment that should come on the boat. So you'll notice we'll have the base engines, we'll have the helm winches with a manual main halyard winch, and all of the rest of the standard options. For the Helia, we also have the Oceanique package, which will have a few upgrades in it. So if I go ahead and change my selection to that package, if I come on down, we can notice that the helm winches has been changed from a manual main halyard to now it's electric. Now that's not the only thing we can select here on this template selector page. We can actually dial in exactly what's on our boat. So for example, my boat has the upgraded engines. I can go ahead and select that, and then I want to make sure that I deselect the base engines, so we only have one of the engines selected. And I can also say, well, we've got the folding propellers, we have got a davit winch, we've got the windlass chain counter in addition to the windlass, and we've upgraded to the profurl rather than the fact norm, and want to go ahead and add the Garmin instruments onto the boat. We have an electric toilet rather than the manual toilet. We have the generator, we have a cockpit fridge, the freezer, and the full boat air conditioning. We're just going to add all of the things here in this tutorial. So once I'm happy that I have selected everything, I can go ahead and hit Apply Template, and that's going to pop us right back into the regular onboarding process. You can still go ahead and add more equipment if you would like that wasn't in our templates, just again by using that regular onboarding process. So if you have any additional questions about how to do that, make sure to check out that complete and full onboarding video. But that is going to wrap up this tutorial on how to use MaintenanceROS templates. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in another tutorial very soon.